Do you want your table rows to be split between pages? Word allows you to format the table so that the rows stay together and don't split. For some documents, it is par for the course to have tables extend from one page to another. You can see in this document that I have on the screen that there's a large amount of information in this last row, and the row ends up being split across the 2 pages here. This is normal. Word automatically breaks tables so that the most information can get on each page. This may mean that a row of your table may start on one page and end on the following page, as you see here. Obviously, this is not acceptable for some tables. You may have the need to make sure that the entire rows of your table stay together. To make sure that Word doesn't break a particular row of your table, start by selecting the row or rows that you want to stop from splitting. So I'll go out here to the left-hand side and click on this entire row so I have it selected. Now I'm going to go over to the Table Layout tab of the ribbon, and I'm going to choose Properties right over here at the left-hand side. That displays the Table Properties dialog box. Well, since I want to work with a row, I'm going to jump to the Row column right there. It's this checkbox right here that controls whether the row can split across pages. If the checkbox is cleared, then the selected rows won't break between pages. If the checkbox is selected, as it is here, then the reverse is true. They can break across pages. Note that this setting applies to single rows, not to multiple rows. If I had selected 2 rows when I came into this dialog box, then this setting would apply to those rows individually. It wouldn't mean that those 2 rows that I selected would be on the same page. It just means that each of the rows would be on a single page. So because I don't want this row to break across the page break there, I'm going to go ahead and clear this checkbox, and then I'm going to click OK. And notice that what Word did is that it moved that entire row down to the next page. In other words, it made sure that the row doesn't split across the page break. If you're not sure about where a table may break, or even if it will break, but you want to make sure that no row of the table is split across pages, you simply need to select the entire table and then change this setting that we talked about. This helps you get the exact look that you want for your table on the printed document. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, you might consider signing up for my Word Tips newsletter. Every weekly issue is free, and it includes great tips that you can put to work right away. Information is in the notes just below this video. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.